Alright guys, what's up? To get these tail lights changed out. It's gonna be the last time you see these big red tail lights. Alright, I got the bumper off. I got the new ones right here. They're kind of 3D, so they're really cool, man. Now I gotta plug up. You got a couple of wiring harnesses to plug up, load equalizers, whatever. So I'm gonna start unbolting those, get them off. When you get the clips off the bumper and the bolts, just rip it off. I've seen this one video where he was saying, push a pin here. I took off my liner, I tried to push the pin, it don't freaking work. Just rip the damn thing off. For God's sakes. Anyway, I'll turn it back on once I get these off and once I get start hooking up the load equalizers. After many cuss words and a little blood, sweat, and grease, I got her in. Ooh, that's gonna look cool, man. Now, as you can see, put your load equalizers in here, hook it up to your new one. You're gonna see where it goes. It's real easy. And hook your factory harness up to this harness. Screw everything back in, 4 bolts. Then you got all those pins and stuff over there we're gonna put in. But you can see, you just kind of put those and space them out. You just put them on there like that. Ah, yeah. Just slide it up in those little grooves and it'll click. Excuse the hair. This is Adventurous Red. Thanks for watching my video. I recommend these tail lights. They're awesome. They're the coolest thing on the market right now. They're hot. I enjoyed installing them. I hope you enjoyed. One more look. Brand new car, it looks like. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna take her for a spin, make sure everything works right. All right, as you can see, everything's working. So that's gonna be the video. Can't get it to focus for nothing. Thanks for watching.